Hello, welcome to my shop. This is the first video that I'm putting up on YouTube, and I just thought I'd give you a little electronic shop bench tour. So this is my woodworking toolbox. And this is the bench I made a couple of years ago, which I'm never seemed to be done with. It's getting a little washed out there, but I'll take it from a different angle for you. Underneath the bench here, got storage. And up here on the shelves we have a couple of portable tape decks there, and then 2 cassette recorders, an ICO signal generator, an ICO VTVM. There's actually a Heathkit one right behind it. This is my shop stereo, 8-track. And this is my shop cassette deck. Down here to the right is my non-isolated isolation transformer. We'll explain that in depth in another video. Down here is some storage, and wasted storage I might add. I'm going to actually make some storage bins there for storing my electronics parts. And let me get over to the other side of the bench so it's not so washed out, and we'll continue. Okay, now we have storage up there. I have pieces, parts down here. This is a power supply, future power supply. I got kind of a prototype panel there. Frequency counter, benchtop digital multimeter. That is a line voltage meter that I built. This is going to be my isolated transformer and variac combo in here that I still have to build. Screwdriver storage here. My scope and various meters. That's my soldering station down there. This is a audio panel that I just finished. It's actually not even completely wired up yet. The top 3 banana jacks are for antennas, a dipole center ground. Then below that is output for the stereo, bench stereo system, and below that is the input. Reason for that is that way I can take and plug to the input and play things through the stereo that are non-amplified. And the other thing is I can take out from the stereo to go to a MP3 player, or record from that. So hopefully that'll work out all right. I probably forgot something, but that's what I have for now. Up here is my 2-meter ham radio rig. And magnifying light there, not real super duper there, and that's pretty much it.